Alright, it's about 5:30. I'm headed up to Glass. I got about 3 miles before my glassing point. Just tossing on the snowshoes. Got about another 1.5 miles to head up canyon. Weather's pretty good for bears, so see if I can't turn something up tonight. Alright, I just got up here with the naked eye, spotted a bear. Looks to be a pretty good one. So, about 700 yards right now. I'm gonna try to close down to about 5. See if I can get him. He looks like a good bear. We'll see what happens here. Alright, I got a good look at this bear. He looks like he's pretty fucking big. He's in no place that I can shoot him across the canyon, so 6 o'clock right now. He doesn't look like he's moving around too much, and he's in a big clearing. He just went into a small patch of trees. So I'm gonna try to make an approach. It looks like there's a cliff band that I can get to that'll put me in within 150 or 200 yards. Like once I'm there, I'll just have to still hunt in there and see if I can find him. But he's a good bear. I think it's the same bear that Coogan missed last year. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I gotta cross the creek and head up over that other side, so. This is about the only log that I have to cross. So, bear's up over here. I gotta get over there somehow. There we go. We're across the creek. It's time to make a play on this bear. I'm trying to hurry. If I can get into position, I think I should be able to get him. So I'm about 600 yards from him right now, but there's no way to get a shot up through the trees. Getting closer. I can see the meadow he's in right up here. It's about 400 yards. I can't see him yet though. I'm just trying to circle and get the wind right. I'm trying to be quiet, but this is super thick. I just hope he stays in the same spot. If he does, I think I have a pretty good chance. Yeah, he's right up here somewhere. It opens up right up here. I think I might be able to start to see him. Cross my fingers. One thing I've got going for me is he's feeding right next to a waterfall. So it'll cover some of my sound. Are you kidding me? 10 yards. 10. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I just shot that bear at 10 fucking yards, and he fell off like a 200-foot cliff. There's that waterfall right here. Bear, I shot him right there under that fucking tree. Oh my God. That was the most epic fucking thing ever. Dropped him right in his track and dropped him right off this cliff. There's a waterfall right here. Look down. I'm shaking like crazy. There's a bear right under that bush. Dead. Dead bear. God, that is so cool. I spotted him from all the way over there, right in that slide, approached all the way over here, had a shot, sitting on that bench at 100 yards, 80 yards maybe, misfired, gun didn't go off. I was panicked, so I tried calling, but I don't think he could hear me. Came across through this willow bottom, right here into my lap. I was standing right here, boom, shot him under that tree. Standing with his feet up on that log, right there. I'm so stoked. Oh my goodness. Let's go check this bear out. He's a big bear, as big as I've killed. So epic. He literally fell probably 200 feet, cartwheeled down the mountain. I hope I got that on video. I don't know if I did or not, but bear down, baby. All right. I just traversed down through the cliffs. I was up on top of this when I shot him, and he fell down. Epic stalk. I can't even believe that worked out. Under a waterfall. Are you kidding me? Above me. Oh, I can see him. So right above me, that tree is where he was, that's where he was setting. I can't tell how far up that is, but it's pretty steep. And he fell all the way down here. Yeah, look at this. The trees and stuff are broken from where he fell down. There's my bear. That's what he fell down, all the way from up there. Boom, down this massive cliff. I just rolled him up onto the snow, and check this out. He is ancient. Look at those teeth, man. That is a good bear. Super stoked. Get some pictures, get him broken down, and get headed out of here. But boy, am I excited. Look at that bear. Stud, man. Spotted this bear across the canyon. Pretty much immediately decided to make a move on him. I dropped down, crossed the creek, climbed up this avalanche chute on the other side, got up on this big rock face next to this waterfall, and he hadn't moved very far. I got into 85 yards, got lined up on him, got a good broadside shot, and my rifle misfired, so I racked another shell, and he went behind some trees. I tried making some calls, and I don't think he could hear me. Made a move. It was either get closer or him go away, so I moved up the hill a little ways. I was kind of worried he was going to win me, but it ended up working out. He fed out right underneath of me about 10 yards, and wish I would have had the recurve like I did the other day, but had the rifle and got her done. So one shot, put her right in his chest. He tumbled down this cliff, and he's better than shit. So about 3.5, 4 miles in here. Shouldn't be too terribly hard. I'm going to try to get him quartered up at least tonight. I'll probably come back in and pack him out tomorrow. Got a bear down, first one of the year. It's only the 4th bear that I've seen. This is a good one. I've been hunting this bear for about 3 years, and I'm glad to have finally caught up with him. All right, we get to breaking him down. Enough talking. I actually made pretty quick work of this bear. Got him all caped out. Got both hams, both front shoulders. That one's kind of buried. Both back straps. 10 deep. Come up in here tomorrow and get them packed out, but pretty rad evening. Cut myself a little bit, but that's how she goes. Right on. Just all loaded up. Got the barrel spread out. It's kind of raining, but it's not gonna hurt. It'll be cold all night. I'll be back here in the morning. Got all the meat on ice. Dropped a waypoint on Onyx, so I know where to come back to. We'll be back in the morning to pack out the rest of this bear. Pretty jazzed. Pretty freaking jazzed. Fun night. Not been a long night back to the truck, but all worth it, baby.